Yep, another drive home. Gotta love the 9 to 5 grind. So today's drive is a little bit different though. Freezing rain, sleet, snow, pretty much all the gross stuff that Michigan can do in the wintertime, it's doing all at once. So it might be a little dicey on the drive home. So if I'm not giving you a lot of direct FaceTime, you'll have to forgive me. Trying to not die on the drive is always a good thing, especially when people are starting to pull out in front of you like this yahoo. So I want to rush home because I got FedEx notification that my package was delivered today. Yes, super excited. PEN-F time, gotta love that. And I guess there'll probably be a little footage after this right here. Actually, the next time you see my face in this vlog, I'm probably going to be holding a box that says PEN-F on the front. So let me turn this thing off, focus on the drive home, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Yep, that's somebody sideways off the road. Looks like they hit a tree, a mailbox, and they got out and they're standing there on their phone, so it looks like everything's okay, or else I would not be talking to you and I'd be turning around. Almost home. It's been a very slow, long drive. I'm sure you can hear the ice hitting the windshield now. Didn't see any more accidents on the road. That's good. As much as I loathe people that drive like an idiot in this weather, I still don't want to see anybody off the road because I know that's kind of a crappy thing to deal with. So one more stop before I get home. Got to pick up a prescription. So yeah, PEN-F. How many of you that are watching saw me yawn and then yawned yourself? Does that work through video or only in person? Boom. Bring it in close. So, crazy excited to have the new PEN-F in my hand. Had a little bit of time with it with Mike Baining in New York City and shooting with it in Ann Arbor, Michigan. And now I finally have one here in my hands, in my possession. So I'm not going to do like a in-length or in-depth anything right now for the vlog post. It's basically just a quick show it off front, gorgeous top, gorgeous bottom, still no screws anywhere. It's like magic elves put it together. And the back, pièce de résistance right there, stunning. So what's going on this? Primes. Probably the 17mm f1.8 is going to be like the de facto lens on this camera for me. And I'll put on probably like, well, it's all the primes. Every prime I own is going to get a shot on this camera without a doubt. And you can expect a flicker gallery, like I said in yesterday's vlog. As soon as I get some shots off of this, straight up to Flickr they'll go. Dedicated album just for this camera, like I do all the other products from Olympus. Really excited about some of these film profiles that are in here. Can't wait. And I can't wait to create my own. I've got an idea in my head, and I think I know how to pull it off, and it's going to give a really sweet look. So yeah, expect videos about all of these things in the near future. They won't be vlog posts. They'll be dedicated videos like I do for, you know, other product releases. So this vlog post, super short, super pumped up. I'm like, crazy little kid in a candy store on Christmas Day, wrapped up with caffeine or something. I don't know. Super pumped. So yeah, PEN-F, vlog 6, wrapped up. See you guys tomorrow.